Submitting documents to Bank of America for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents needed for account approval. This typically includes identification like a driver's license or passport, proof of address such as a utility bill, and any other documents specified by the bank. Step 2. Access online banking portal. Log into your Bank of America online banking account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one or visit a local branch for assistance. Step 3. Navigate to document submission. Once logged in, find the section for document submission. This may be located under Account Services or a similar category. Look for options related to account approval or verification. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your gathered documents. Ensure that each file is clear and legible. Check the file format and size requirements to avoid any issues during the upload process. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your submission to ensure all documents are correct and complete. Submit the documents and take note of any confirmation number or message indicating that your submission was successful. Once you have completed these steps, you can expect to receive a notification from Bank of America regarding the status of your account approval.